So what if meron kang hardware wallet na pwede mong magamit na pambayad ng bills dito sa Pilipinas? Well, this is the video for you. Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba yung advantages kapag ginagamit nyo si Tangem Wallet. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Tangem Wallet. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon on how does Tangem Wallet works, okay? Ngayon, marami kasi guys ang nangyayari dito sa Pilipinas, no? Especially pagdating sa mga crypto exchanges. Kung napapansin nyo guys, majority of the crypto exchanges were actually banned here in the Philippines. The reason why, it's because syempre hindi pa regulated yung mga exchanges na yan. And I think one of the exchange na na-regulate dito sa Philippines right now is yung Binance. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo guys, si Binance is under pa siya ng isa pang department, which is, syempre, of course, yun siguro yung Philippine management na nag-overlook kay Binance Philippines. Alright? That's the reason why na-aprobahan si Binance dito. But if you are a person that you don't really want to put your money in Binance and nandun pa sa ibang exchanges guys, what you can actually do is to instead of like transferring it to your Fiat wallet or i-convert nyo siya sa GCash, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa inyong Tangem Wallet. Okay? Now, Tangem Wallet actually allows you to pay your bills. Okay? Dahil meron silang Visa card that you can actually request. Okay? Na pwede nyo magamit for your online transactions. Which is pretty good. Especially, Tangem Wallet is a hardware wallet. Hindi siya actually katulad ni exchange na you have to go through P2P para mapapalit mo pa siya. Kumbaga, automatically converted na siya. Now, in terms of the in-depth guide on what's the conversion rate, gaano katagal yung proseso pag nagbayad kayo guys, yan yung gagawa natin ng next video. So, stay tuned guys kasi magkakaroon tayo ng series of videos dito kay Tangem Wallet. But anyway, before we actually proceed with the unboxing video guys, gusto ko lang din sabihin na this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor either. So please make sure that you do your own diligence about making research on this project or product before even buying. Okay? Kasi mayroon naman guys na papasok kayo based na sa opinion ng mga KOLs na katulad namin or mga content creators na katulad namin. Now what we are sharing here is what we have explored and also experienced using the product itself. So anyway, tara, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox. Samahan natin yung lumang ako, no? 2 months ago pa to guys, pero ngayon ko lang nagawa ng video. So tara, kita-kits doon sa video na yon. Samahan niyo akong i-unbox itong galing kay Tangem Wallet. Now, bago tayo mag-discuss about what Tangem Wallet is and also ano yung mga bagay na kailangan yung malaman sa Tangem Wallet, i-unbox muna natin itong package na galing sa kanila. So, reviewing the package alone guys, sobrang secure ng package nila guys. Kung mapapansin nyo talagang maayos na maayos yung package ni Tangem Wallet. Okay, so galing to guys from China. Okay, and at the same time shinip siya gamit si DHL. So DHL is one of the trusted brands pagdating sa mga shipping companies. So today guys, i-unbox na natin to. So tanggalin ko muna siya guys, okay, para makita niya rin kung ano itsura ng mismong Tangem. So live natin siyang ina-unbox ito sa video na to guys para magkaroon kayo ng idea, no? Punitin lang natin siya dito. Yan, medyo ano yung packaging niya guys, medyo tight. So kailangan nyo talagang persahin. Okay? So ito na guys. So parang grabe ang ganda ng packaging guys. So binigyan tayo ni Tangem Wallet ng 2 cards and at the same time yung isang ring. So ito yung itsura ng mga packages niya. So dalawa yan guys. So 2 pairs of cards and I think a pair or 1 ring. So yan yung binigay nila. So check natin to guys kung anong check natin to kung anong product ko to, kung ito ba yung card or ito ba yung ring. Okay? So packaging, ay kung mapapansin nyo, it looks very clean. Okay, napaka-minimalist nung style niya. And then from here, isa natin. So first time ko mag-unbox guys. So please bear with me. Okay, talagang hindi ako marunong mag-unbox. And hindi talaga ako naka-set up pa. Okay, di pa ayos yung station natin. So, kung naayos yun guys, baka medyo maayos-ayos na rin yung unboxing natin. So, medyo tight din yung seal niya or yung packaging niya guys. But anyway, the box itself, it looks premium. Okay, sobrang premium ng dating. Right? So, then tataktak natin siya. Alright. So, looking at the box, so meron pa siya dito ng parang foam para lang hindi maano yung card. So, ito yung mga cards guys na meron kay Tangem Wallet. Now, itong card na to guys, I think these are 2 pieces ata or 3 pieces if I'm not mistaken. So, 3 piraso siya guys. So, 1, 2, and 3. Ito yung itsura niya. Very minimalist din yung itsura ng cards niya. So, this one will actually serve as your backups. Okay, kasi usually kapag ang ginagamit natin is hardware wallet, usually isa lang yon. Okay, like Trezor. Alright, but anyway, aside from Trezor, kung gagamit naman kayo ng mga self-custodial like MetaMask, usually seed phrase yung kailangan nyo doon para ma-access nyo yung wallets nyo. But that is actually prone in hacking. So, kaya nga tayo actually pumayag sa Tangem Wallet because we wanted to make sure na safe and secure yung mga funds natin. And at the same time, easy to access na siya. So, itong cards na to yung gagamitin natin sa mobile app ni Tangem as well. So, in terms of setting it up, gagawa tayo ng separate tutorial for that. But this is just a first look on how the product looks like. So far, sobrang ganda talaga guys. Sobrang ng design niya, simple. Pwede kayo magpa-modify ng design nito. Kung gusto niyo ng may logo nyo, pwede naman. Pero ako, mas pinili ko yung black. Kasi mahilig ako sa black guys. Napakasimple lang din tignan. And sabi ko, lagyan nila ng Tangem logo. So, nilagyan naman nila. Meron naman silang mga default na ganon. So, yun. Anyway, you can also choose the colorway naman. Okay, meron din tong customizable pero mas mahal. Okay? So, ito na yung card itself. Now, buksan naman natin yung sa ring. So, dito ako na-excite sa ring kasi ito yung Tangem ring nila. And kung mapapansin nyo, yan, Tangem ring. Now, itong ring na to guys, pwede nyo ring magamit for your transactions as well. And it will serve as like an authorization as well kapag ina-access nyo si Tangem Wallet nyo. So, napakasimple niya lang tignan guys. And then, may ring size din siya. So, ang kinuha nating ring size is 21. I think that was double XL or XL, I think. So, saktong-sakto siya sa daliri natin, guys. Pretty good for our finger. Hindi tayo nahihirapan, guys. Saktong-sakto siya. So, in terms of the design, sobrang, sobrang goods na goods niya rin. Malaki lang talaga yung daliri natin. Pero, yun. Maganda yung design, no? Now, these will serve as your backup. And you can always use this for your crypto transactions when using Tangem Wallet. The good thing about Tangem is that it also extends its services. So tara, check nyo muna natin kung paano natin siya isi-set up and panoorin nyo yung video natin about Tangem. I just want to give a huge shout out sa Tangem as well for giving us a chance. No, kasi na nag-reach out sila sa atin, talagang in-explain muna nila on how Tangem works, para saan ba si Tangem and ano bang magiging benefit ng user. So abangan nyo guys yung setup video natin dito. But thank you so much again for Tangem for trusting us, channel natin sa BM Gaming. And again, dito ko muna tatapusin yung video natin. Peace out.